Hello students, today let's talk about the New York State Regents examination, commonly known as the NY Regents, a key milestone for the high school students in New York. These examinations are more than just tests. They are benchmarks of your understanding, your readiness and your confidence in core subjects. The Regents examination cover English, mathematics, science, social studies and sometimes languages depending on your high school track. Each examination is carefully designed to test not just memory but your ability to think critically, solve the problems and apply the knowledge in the real world scenarios. So let's break it down so you know how to approach them effectively. First comes the English Language Arts, ELA. The ELA Regents examination is not just about reading the grammar. It's about analyzing the text, understanding the themes, and constructing the clear arguments. Here's a tip. When you read a passage, always highlight the keywords, note the tone, and understand the author's purpose. Our classes teach the structured essay writing, where students learn how to organize the ideas quickly and effectively. This saves the time and ensures a high quality response under the exam conditions. Second comes the mathematics, whether it's algebra, geometry or algebra 2 or trigonometry. These math regions require precision and strategy. We teach students problem solving, shortcuts and the formula memory hacks and step-by-step approaches so that even tricky multi-step problems become manageable. Timing is crucial, so practicing timed mock papers is an essential part of the preparation. Now, number 3 is the science. The science exams include physics, chemistry, and the living environment. These are not just fact-based tests. They require understanding experiments, interpreting data, and drawing the conclusion. We focus on the conceptual clarity and use the diagram-based memory techniques to help the students visualize the complex processes. This makes even the most complicated science questions feel simple. Number 4 is the social studies. The social studies regions test focuses on the history, government and the economics. The key to success is connecting the events, understanding the cause and effect and being able to explain your reasoning. We train students to with timeline visualization and the thematic mapping techniques which make recalling the information faster and more accurate. Now, number 5, that is the test tracking strategy. Here's the secret sauce. Knowledge is only the half battle. Effective NY Regents preparation also require the exam strategy. So, if you want it, join Dr. Shaurav's classes today and make all your dreams come true with us. Bye-bye.